Hey guys, welcome back to Blackbird Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to change my logo in Blender. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is actually just add in a plane, and I'm going to tab into edit mode, select these two vertices at the bottom, and delete them. So now I just have this straight line right here. And this is good because I want to put one of these points, select it and move it by pressing G to the beak area, and now I'm just going to press E to extrude and just move these around. Alright, so up here I'm going to extrude that. Okay, extrude this around. Also, I really need suggestions on what videos to make for YouTube. So if y'all could please try to help me out with some suggestions, that would be much appreciated. Alright, so that's basically my logo. Just want to simplify it as much as possible. So I'm gonna add in, I'm gonna press Shift A, and add in a UV sphere, and I'm gonna increase the segments to 64 and 32. 64 segments, 32 rings. Move it up, scale it, and I just want it to be like this sun right here. Alright, I need to move it down. And also now I'm just gonna press Shift A and add in a cylinder, and I increased the vertices to 100 because I want it to be really high poly. Now I'm going to press SX, scale it, SZ, scale it on the Z axis. A bit more like that. Okay, now if I click on this solid mode, this thing won't be visible. So I'm just going to tab into edit mode, press A to select all, and then press E to extrude, press Z to extrude it on the Z axis. Just move it up like that and press F to make a face. Alright, now just gonna press 7 one more time, scale this up. And I'm pressing numpad 7 to go into top view. Just so you know. I'm gonna add new material for this. We want it to be emission, color white, strength 1 is good. We also want this to be glass. Roughness, I'm gonna decrease this to like 0.3 is good. Add new material for this, and I'm gonna make it completely black. Now if I go over here and press H on this empty, which is just the image. Blender calls it empties. I don't know why. Now that looks pretty good. And you notice the sun looks extra good because, or looks extra emissive because it's shining through this glass. If I increase the roughness, it'll shine through even more. I'm actually just gonna put the roughness down to like 0.1. And now this doesn't look so emissive, so I'm gonna increase the emissive strength to like 3, and I'm gonna increase the roughness to like 0.2. And I'm gonna increase this to 2. Decrease actually. Okay, alright. Now I'm going to press, actually I'm just gonna select this cylinder right here, go over to the shading tab, click on the shading, and you'll notice that I can see all these rocks through here, which is pretty cool. Blender uses HDRIs, which are like environments, so you can see it like really well through this glass because it's like magnetizing it, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna press 7 onto top view. This HDRI doesn't look too great right now. I'm gonna go to the render shading, and I'm also going to search for color ramp. I'm going to click on this, and I'm also going to search for I think texture coordinate. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'm going to plug in the UV to this factor. I'm going to plug in this color to this color, and now you'll notice that this part over here is dark black and this part is lighter. So I'm going to unhide this empty. So down here purple, up here light blue. Alright, so I can hide this again. Go over to here, purple, and light blue. And it's actually like not light blue enough, so I'm gonna drag over this light blue so that more of it is light blue. It's like if it's halfway, then half of it, this half is gonna be purple and somewhat light blue, and this part is just gonna be completely light blue. I'm just gonna make it perfectly in the center by pressing 0.5. If I just press Shift A and add in a sunlight. Alright, so adding in a sunlight seems to have done the trick. But also like way too bright. So strength, I'm gonna put that at like 0.01. Alright. Also the noise kind of looks like stars. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm just gonna see. Okay, 0 versus maybe 0.2 actually. I think 0.2 looks the best. And you'll see that this is right now is actually being kind of lit up. The Blackbird is. I'm just gonna click on mission, change the strength to 0, and now that's completely black, which is what we want. I'm gonna hide this, and now I'm gonna click render, and I'm gonna increase my render settings to like 1280. I'm just gonna render the image. I'll let this render for a while, and now when it's finally rendered out, it'll look like this. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.